Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to enable always show icons, never show thumbnail in Windows 10 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To enable always show icon, never shows thumbnails on Windows 10 computer, go to your file explorer. Look here in folder and files, all are showing thumbnails, and I'm going to enable always show icon, never show thumbnails. To do so, click on View tab and then click on Options. In folder options, click on View, and here you will find the first option, always show icons, never thumbnails. By default it's turned off. Just click here to turn it on, and now click on apply. Look, now thumbnail is not showing, only show icons. And if you turn it off, just uncheck it and then click here. Now showing thumbnails with the icon. This is the easy way to show or hide thumbnail in File Explorer on Windows 10 computers. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.